Hello, welcome to back to my vlog. Also, I start my vlog. So now I came outside from my accommodation. Now I'm going to duty. So my daily vlog content it's daily life, how to survive in Saudi Arabia, foreign people. So also I start my vlog. So foreign people in Saudi Arabia, how we survive the daily life. So today inside Saudi Arabia, my living place is the raining. When I wake up, I can see the raining, big raining. But that's why now it's weather is normal. No hot, no cold, no sun. Even before at the same time, if I come outside from my accommodation, when I go duty, that time you can see the sun almost. But now it's no sun, no hot, no cold, just normal weather because it's raining in the today morning. So my duty is night. That's why I have to sleep the day. So morning raining, I don't know. But when I wake up, I see it's raining already. So that's why Saudi Arabia now going to change the weather. That's why it's raining the more. Day by day before I see this one, grass is going to die, but again become the green. So this way, one day I have to walk the two times. When I go duty and when I come back from duty. So I talking before many times. I have to this one way, have to good way. If I can go this one way. This one is big way. But I don't want to walk this way. I didn't want to go I didn't want to walk in this way because this way is more disturbing for me because I do the vlog. That's why the people doesn't can listen to my voice. So I tried this one separate way. This way is no have disturbing. It's in just I can go easily. I can make the video. So my exploring video Saudi Arabia daily life for an employer. It's a coffee maker how to survive daily life. Just like we have to work daily, then we have depend on you how you survive the time. So how we sacrifice the living time. That's why I want to explore the people. It's not the same like we everyone have to survive, have to schedule or have to different. But just like the place, it's same place. So we I come for the work. That's why we have the many problem, similar problem that we can survive the each other the same situation with the same solution. That's why I try to explore from my studio. So we have to work every day 10 hours, then go duty, they come back, then again go market, then have to cook, then have to eat. So that's why people have to know must be in Saudi Arabia what the expectation versus reality, how we survive the daily life. We not just for daily life we survive daily we have face the problem. Also we can earn the money. It's most important thing. Today I go duty. Today I do vlog. It's just for my part of the time. But most important thing, day by day I earn the money. It's a must have to be understand the people. So this is day by day make the easy day, survive easy day. That's why you can see this water. Now it's weather is very good. No hot, no cold. I want to like that way, like that weather every day. No hot, no cold. It's easy, simple. That's why it's weather is good, air is good now. This is the Saudi Arabia. People can take more information from my this video. Actually, Saudi Arabia, how we survive, how we living, how is the place. It's like that. If depend the place is the how you look the place. Maybe you are living in the big city. It's okay. That city is very more people you can find. But you are city outside. If you live there is normal, just like that. Also have the every country have the city or have village. So I live in village place. So I cannot show the big city in my video. I stay village place. That's why I have to survive this place. But but for myself, it's no problem. It's good. I can stay patient. There no have more pollution. There have no people. Just I can chill, stay the patient. Now as you can see water is more raining. Almost almost raining. But for uh, picture video.
YouTube?
Yeah, video YouTube. I don't have more followers. شوية شوية
ما في مشكلة نصور.
ما في مشكلة. أنا بس شوية كيف هذا شكول كيف هذا هنا معلم English.
ما know.
Yeah. Just I want to explore the foreign employer in Saudi Arabia daily life, how they survive. So yeah, I'm from Nepal. I'm going to now duty.
You
I'm
go,
going to for work.
go,
Go work. This place I work. In the inside coffee
you
shop.
work.
Yeah, I work. So just I survive the my time. I want to explore the people, how we survive. We are foreign people, right? So not the nationality. So we have the difficult situation. What you feel? Same we don't feel same like us because you have the family, you have the friend, right?
Yeah.
We don't have family, we don't have friend. We feel the alone. So I want to share the people how to survive, how to make the strong your mindset like that. You living here, you from
I
here.
live here.
Okay. Nice to meet you. Also, I have the YouTube channel, Rajesh Rai Blog.
Okay.
You can see the Rajesh Rai Blog.
Wait, one minute.
Hmm. You have internet.
Yeah.
No have more followers, no have more subscribers. I try to be. Now I start maybe 4 years, 4 months.
Mhm.
Just I want to
Huh.
just okay, just catch like this. I will.
Okay. Here.
Yeah,
This.
yes, this one.
Oh.
I have the
Wow.
different content. No one, I don't want to people to be look the my video, but you have to know something from my video. You can learn something from my video. I want to explore the truth, not the wrong, the truth. Stay alone, then make it truth. Coming for you the good timing.
Good timing in Saudi
Yeah,
Arabia.
yeah.
Thank
Okay,
you.
okay,
Nice to meet
okay. Nice to meet you too. So it is the Saudi Arabia. So because now is digital time. Everyone sees like that who doing the vlog. Maybe people think this one guy is the famous. This one guys have the more followers, more subscriber. But it is not. Some person have to be beginning. Sometime have to. Some person have to big followers, big subscriber. Not just all the people. That's why people think to me. I have more followers, more subscribe, but I don't have more subscribe, more followers. Just I try to, but not my intention become the famous. My intention just people can take the inspiration from my this video, how to survive daily life. Also before Saudi come, when I knew that time also I cannot take the survive daily life. So if someone do like this video, also I can take the inspiration. The people doesn't can the judge inside Saudi Arabia for an employer how to survive, how to be strong, how to daily life survive, what they actually this have to sacrifice. That's why I try to explore from my this video. Now my timing is off. I make just 10 to 15 minutes, just like that. Now time already go 15 minutes, so I have to close the camera.